Hi everyone, my name is Michele Delory and I'm a certified KonMari consultant and a professional organizer based in Toronto, Canada. And today I'm joined by my son Frankie.
Hi.
He's 9 years old and we wanted to show you how to get started with the KonMari method as a family. I know that these days it can feel very overwhelming, especially working from home, but also having the kids now doing online virtual school. And I wanted to just share some of my favorite tips on the method, but also general organization to create a routine for you and your family to make your life easier. So let's get started. So I wanted to compare two methods of organization, the KonMari method and traditional organization, what the differences are and what works best for you. So first off, the KonMari method. The KonMari method follows 5 main categories and not necessarily by location. And it's really going through your things in a very thoughtful way. It really makes you more mindful because you choose things that spark joy to keep in your life. It really goes beyond tidying and organizing. It's really a lifestyle. You start to feel more gratitude for the things that you have, and you really just appreciate everything in your life more. Then there's traditional organization. This is more about creating a system that will have order. You will be doing things by location. And when you declutter, you will be thinking more about why you're choosing to keep it, if it's still something that fits, if it's something that you wear often, if it's your style, and various questions to help you really edit your home. But in the end, these two methods really help you to have a more calm, stress-free, clutter-free, organized home that you'll feel good in. When it comes to teaching your children the KonMari method, patience is key. Don't be surprised if your child wants to keep most things, but allow them to understand what sparks joy for them. Their attention span may be short, so take frequent snack and play breaks. Work on things early on a weekend so that you both have energy to organize. Let's get started with organizing this bedroom. When working on any part in your child's bedroom, whether it's clothes or toys, you will group like items together and work through them in categories. Today, we're working on organizing Frankie's toys. Place similar items together and into bigger containers. I'm using MUJI's PP storage drawers, which come in a variety of sizes, but these large ones work great for storing the most frequently used items. Using translucent containers in addition to labels will help see which items belong where, which will make cleanup a lot easier for your child to follow. I like to use chalkboard labels to be able to change the label easily as items change as your child grows. Label inside your kids' clothing dresser drawers so that they know where the clothes go. Use containers or bins inside your child's clothing drawers or socks, underwear, belts, and hats so that they are easy to put back. If your child enjoys reading books, make sure your child gets into the habit of returning their books back to the bookcase or wherever you store books, just like at the library. When it comes to puzzles and board games, create a space for all of them to live in. If they take up too much space, try using large Ziploc bags for all of the items and let go of the boxes to save space. Now that you know the basics of learning the KonMari method, it's time to implement these into a daily and weekly routine. Here are a few of my favorite tips. If you have a common area where your kids like to play, use an empty bin to gather your kids' items all together and then organize from the bin, dropping them off into their designated homes. Do this daily. My next tip is get your kids to help tidy with a 10-minute tidy time every day. Play some happy music to make it a fun activity. Then finally, have your child get involved with chores around the house, like on laundry day, putting clothes into the wash and dryer, and designating a time to put them back. If you teach your kids to fold, this is a skill that they can continue as they grow up. Creating a chore calendar can help. Thank you so much for joining Frankie and I today to learn about how to have some routine with your family when it comes to organizing. I hope that these tips help you out in having a more joyful and stress-free home. Which method worked best for you? Comment below and let me know what your favorite tip for organizing was. That's it for today, so thank you again and happy organizing. Bye now.